Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have to ask. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So we have the s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 cone here, and then we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 3. When s equals to number 3, so we put number 3 cone here, and we have 3 square plus number 3, and we have number 12. Next, number 0 we change by number 3, number 3 we change by number 12. This one we change by u. To s, the s we change by the u. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over u, and I will put the bounds from number 3 to number 12. And now we have like this. So we calculate this one, and we have 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.